So, guess who forgot to cancel Julep again? I really need to go in there and figure this out. I have points, and if you cancel without using your points, then you lose your points, and I have enough to get another box, so I'm thinking that I should at least use my points and then cancel, so that's what my problem is. So let's see what I got. So Julep is a subscription box, another subscription box, and you get 3 things in this, and it used to be a nail polish company, but they seem to be doing a lot of other things too. As you can see, this says Bliss in the Kiss, so there's lipsticks and eyeshadows and just about every beauty thing that I can think of they have. But let's see. So this time I did get 2 nail polishes. Ooh, and those are kind of pretty, but those will go in Katie's stocking because I won't use them. And then here is a lip mousse in the color Amore, which I do love me some red. This looks pretty bright. Oh, this is like a pinkish red. This is like more pink than red. This I don't think is my color. This is like a Barbie pink. Yeah, and so Julep, if you can go in and you can cancel, or you can choose other things. Either way, you need to do that monthly with Julep. I don't do it with a lot of things because I don't really care what they send me, but Julep I do because, like, honestly, I am not in any of these wearer, but maybe Katie will, and hopefully she'll like them. They look kind of nice together, I guess, but yeah, you need to be careful with Julep, in my opinion. I need to be careful with Julep. I don't have the best luck with them and sending colors and things that I would particularly use. So yeah, that's all right. It's okay. It's my own fault, and I know better. I need to put a reminder on my calendar. I used to do that, and then I stopped. But you know what? Merry Christmas to my daughter. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. And they really are a good company, and their products are really good. So don't let that deter you. They have really great things, but you have to, at least for me, I have to pick the colors that I like, because otherwise they send things that aren't necessarily me. That's what I should have said. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.